Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to check your money balance on TikTok. It's quite simple. First thing to do is to open your TikTok app, head to your TikTok profile, click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, then go to settings and privacy. Then you're going to find the balance option right here. Click on that. Alright, to start loading. Now I want you to understand that before you can be able to see any money on TikTok, you have to at least receive gifts on TikTok first of all. Right, so if you write here and you have received gifts before, then you can be able to see your gift revenue. Click on that, and then you will find your total balance on TikTok. Right, so here is it. Now this is how you can check your money balance on TikTok. If you want to learn how to withdraw money from TikTok, click on this video to learn how to do that. Thanks for watching.